Today, we installed our Lexion LX10S CarPlay monitor on a 2024 Lexus IS. For Lexus IS models from 2021 and onward, the factory display has a small 8-inch square-shaped screen, which does not look aesthetically pleasing. The wide black bezels on both sides also make the interior look outdated. Since these models do not support wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, many owners, like our customer today, use aftermarket wireless CarPlay dongles. However, these dongles often suffer from slow booting and unstable connections. The solution to all of these issues is the Lexion LX10S CarPlay monitor. Take a look at the result after replacing the OEM screen with the LX10S. The new 10.25-inch wide display with a slim bezel outputs in an optimal 7:3 aspect ratio, giving the interior a clean, modern, and beautiful look. There is simply no better interior upgrade item. We also replaced the factory rear-view camera with the Lexion AHD high-definition camera, which provides a much clearer and sharper image compared to the OEM camera. The noise-free image helps significantly with safe driving. And if the parking guidelines appear slightly off-center, the system allows you to adjust the parking line position effortlessly. All original OEM functions remain 100% intact, and you can even control the factory menu directly through the touchscreen of the LX10S, just like using a genuine Lexus part. Once wireless CarPlay is connected, you can operate the system using both the touchscreen and the factory trackpad. The display automatically dims according to the headlight on-off status. Audio is output through the factory Lexus Bluetooth system, so you keep the full sound quality of the Mark Levinson audio. If you own a 2021 plus Lexus IS, we highly recommend the Lexion LX10S monitor. It's an upgrade you will never regret. Experience both enhanced functionality and a dramatically improved interior at the same time. Thank you.